Hello dear students, today I am going to tell you that how you can access your online paper through your BPMS account. For that you need to enter your phone number followed by your password, and then you need to validate your CAPTCHA. Once you will validate this and enter, then you will be entering to your BPMS account. So here is your BPMS account. On the left hand side there are multiple options, but you need to choose the digital examination hall. Once you will click on the digital examination hall, then it will take you to your examination hall, where we have uploaded one paper that is containing 120 questions, and time frame is given 10 minutes because it is a sample paper, so you need not to bother about that. Once you will click on this paper, then it will take you to the another section which contains some important information like this. So this will be containing some instructions which we need to read them very carefully before starting the paper. It contains the information like how many questions are there, what type of questions are there, what are their marking methodology. An important thing that for reading all these instructions, there is a time limit given, that is what, 10 minutes of time. So try to take 10 minutes only, but if you take more than that time it will consume your paper time. So after reading all these instructions, you need to go through the terms and condition part, and this terms and condition part is given at the lower side. So once you will click the terms and condition, you can read them, and after reading then you can submit it. So once you will mark and give for continue part, then you will enter in your paper. So it takes few seconds to upload your paper. Once the paper will come just like that. So if the first question is a physics question, so just go through the question. After reading the question, if you want to give the answer, let us suppose second is the answer. So you have to mark the second, and then you have to press the button save and next. So once you will put this button, then next question immediately will come, and on the right hand side there is a question number 1 becomes green. That means whenever you are putting 7 next, then all the buttons becomes green. That means these questions you have attempted. So likewise, the multiple question you can select, you can mark, and then 7 next you can make it. But in certain question, if you feel there is a confusion, so in the option number 2nd and 4th, so in that case you can put a button mark for review. So if you press the button mark for review, then it turns purple color. So in that purple means whenever you are completing your paper, at the end you can go to these questions directly and review these questions answer. But if you are doing physics and you don't want to do this completely, and if you want to jump to the another subject, then there are another options. The another subjects are there like chemistry, maths and biology, whatever. So you can directly jump to the chemistry. So in the chemistry, first question is 31st question number. So now you can attempt this question, or if you are seeing question and jumping to here and there, that time if the red button comes, that means you have seen this question but you have not attempted. So this red button will shows like that. But if another question which you can attempt it, and then again it becomes a green color. But another question where you are just putting to the mark for review, then again it will convert into the orange color. So orange means you have not attempted, you have kept for the review. But whenever you are just going to these questions, whether it is purple color or it is orange color, at that time you can enter to those questions, and then you can take a review, and then you can submit. So after that you have to just press the button submit one. So once you will submit this paper, that time you will be coming out from this paper. So let us suppose if you are submitting this paper, so there is a one instruction, one information is there. You really wanted to submit this paper. If you're final, and apart from that, there is some statistics is given that out of 120 questions, how many questions you have attempted and how many questions you have left. So if you really wanted to go back and check your paper again, then you have to click on this right side button. So it will take you to the paper again, and then again you can go to all those questions wherever you want to review or you want to attempt those questions. But if you finally done, and if you have submitted, and if you want to submit your paper, that time finally you have to submit it, and then click on the OK button. So once you will click on the OK button, then this paper starts submitting. So one thing is there is a reverse clock is happening at the top right side. So like that, your paper is get submitted. So until unless your paper is not submitted, you have to wait for some time, for a few seconds. And one more thing is there that at the time of submission of your paper, your internet speed should be proper, because at the between the paper, if your net speed is not okay, then this system will take your answers whatever you are marking automatically. So there is no need to be worried about the internet part in between the paper, but during the submission of this you need to have a proper internet. So likewise, it takes few seconds to submit. Until unless this bar is not completed, you have to wait here, and after completion of this paper, it will again give you the information that in this paper how many questions you have attempted and how many questions you have left. So you can keep this information with you, so whenever you are seeing your analysis of your this test on your BPMS part, that time you can use this information. And one more thing, there is an alert comes, so whenever this time goes down, means time less left, that time it gives you the alert. By seeing this, you can submit your paper, and if you are not able to submit in the proper time, then the paper will submitted automatically. So again, see, here is some statistics is given that in this paper, and from this situation at this position, you cannot go back to your paper. So paper is already submitted, and then how many questions are submitted, that is information is mentioned here. Finally, you have to come out from this part. So for this, if you click this button, then you will be coming out your BPMS account from this paper part. So this is all. Thank you so much.